kids! It's me, your friend Adam. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite animals. Let's go! It's a raccoon. A raccoon lives in North America. And raccoon is like a red panda. But sometimes they can be stinky. Ew! I hate their stinks. A llama. This is a llama. Llamas are cute animals, but when they get angry, they spit and kick. A Tasmanian tiger. It is a Tasmanian tiger. Tasmanian tigers look like tigers, but they are not. And Tasmanian tigers live in Tasmania. This is a leopard seal. They live in the Arctic Ocean and they eat penguins. This is an armadillo. Armadillos have armor like a pangolin, but armadillos are not in the family of pangolins. It's a kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and they can jump. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. This is opossum. Opossums wake up in night and they sleep in morning. And they are just like rats and mouses. This is a squirrel. Squirrels climb up trees and they eat nuts. This is a penguin. Penguins are birds, but they can't fly. They can swim. Penguins live in Antarctica. It is too cold for me. I'm going. This is a honey badger. A honey badger looks like skunk. Ew! I hate skunks. This is American Condor. They are so big, bigger than a person. Look at the size of this one. Too big for me.
Wow!
This is a Tasmanian Devil. Tasmanian devils live in Tasmania, just like Tasmanian tigers. A panda. This is a panda. Pandas live in China. They eat bamboo trees. Let's do it again. Can you repeat with me?
Yes!
Raccoon, panda, llama, penguin, American condor, opossum, armadillo, leopard seal, kangaroo, Tasmanian tiger, Tasmanian devil, squirrel,